Calling out all the bullshit. It's not all bullshit. I'm calling out what I'm calling out. I'm saying let's get back to the, you gotta direct your energy if you want to fight for your fucking fellow people. Then you direct your energy away from the bullshit, which is a scam to trap you and render you useless. And you redirect your energy, you study up on shit, whatever, there's loads, but not chemtrails, flat earth and fucking Tartaria, one. And rapes off aliens and then he became homosexual. Goes round the world, I stood on stages talking about it, and him, yeah? And filters into this fucking bullshit that I am calling out. I'm not calling out all the bullshit. It's not all bullshit. I'm calling out what I'm calling out. I'm saying let's get back to the, you gotta direct your energy if you want to fight for your fucking fellow people. Then you direct your energy away from the bullshit, which is a scam to trap you and render you useless. And you redirect your energy, you study up on shit, whatever, there's loads, but not chemtrails, flat earth and fucking Tartaria, one.